Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Betty. I am just jumping on here to do a real quick flip through of this little golden book. It's an altered book. It will be in my Etsy store by the time this video uploads. I was in the middle of finishing it this morning and doing a video while I was finishing it when I got the word that some of my friends slash family members, they were raised as cousins, two of them passed away in the tornadoes last night and another one is missing. So I apologize that I didn't do the video showing how I finished this and embellished it. I do have several more to do, and so I will do videos on those. Anyway, I'm just going to flip through this. I just have it simply tied with this cute little ribbon here. The spine is 2.5 inches. It has 2 signatures and that's it. And I just left it like that because I like the green thread that I used. And then on the spine where they joined, I have that beautiful ribbon on the front and the back. And so when you open it up, you can see that that ribbon's right there. This is beautiful. You can write your name in it, who it's going to be gifted to. If you order this before Tuesday, you definitely should get it before Christmas because I will send it out priority mail. The story is intact and in order. And if you look, you will see these tabs all along here, and you can just go to those tabs and go directly to each page of the story. So we'll start right here, and the way that I have done this, it kind of don't lay completely flat, but it lays very flat. So you have your first little page there. We have some coffee dyed paper, and then some coffee dyed vellum. There's a page of the story. Then we have this little scrapbooking paper here. This is a belly band that we did in one of the tutorials using like the inside of the specimen cards. I have a little journal card there and another little journal card stuck behind it. So lots of writing space in this little journal. Flip it over. We have a little pocket that we've done using the vellum. I have a little journal card there with another piece of that pretty ribbon, and then just a regular journal card. There is some coffee dyed ledger paper. Then we have a cute little pocket that's got the burlap lace on it. Then we have just a little journal card stuck behind there. This was one of the envelopes we'd done. I think it was like using up a 6x6 or something, I don't remember. And then there is a little journal card in here. If I can get it out. A very cute little journal card. And this is one of the digitals out of my Etsy store. And so you just tuck this back in and it closes right up. Then I did sew around the pocket here. So this is your pocket. This is one of the clusters we made on together on here. This is one of those using up your 6x6, and then I stuck another one of the little postcards out of my Etsy into it. And I've just left those strings like that. If you don't like them, they're easy. Just cut them off. Then I just put a little journal card back there as well. Some more coffee dyed paper. There's another one of those clusters. Then in here we have a journal card. Super cute. Some more of the story there. Coffee dyed tracing paper. Another little scrapbook paper. Then on this side of the envelope, we have this cute little journal card here. This is one of the images that's in my Etsy store. And then another little journal card. some more of the coffee dyed paper. Just a cute little tag right there. Here is a journal card, and then another little journal card. Back here we have this bottom tuck, and then we have a journal card stuck down in there. The coffee dyed ledger paper, another one of those little pockets where we were using up our 6x6. Another one of the little postcard, vintage style postcards that's in my Etsy. This is one of the tags. I don't know if I've listed this set or not. And then we have a little journal card as well. On the back here, it's another one of those belly bands where we use the inside of the specimen cards that we cut out. And then another journal card stuck in there. Some more of that coffee dyed vellum. This is just a ticket that we've got as a top tuck with one of the little specimen cards tucked in it. And that's the end of our first signature. And then I put this here because, and I left so much space between the signatures because as you start chunking it up and putting stuff in it, it will still close very good. Of course, you could go in if you wanted to. When you purchase this, you could go in and there's plenty of room to add another signature. So this is our second signature. Some of that coffee dyed paper, and I've got some of the washi tape on it. This is just a little pocket here. I have got a little journal card there that I created a tab on, and then I just put a little journal card behind it. Some ledger paper. This is a vellum pocket, and it has another one of those postcards, and then it's got just a little journal card. And again, I sewed the pockets here. This has a journal card. This is some of my digitals, and another little journal card. And then in this little sack, we've just got another one of the specimen cards and a little journal card. Some vellum paper. This is the middle of this signature, and it is an envelope. So when I sewed this signature in, when I closed it, I closed the envelope up, and then I cut this end off. So you got this here and this here, and then I just stuck a couple of little journal cards down in it. Now there will be a pack of extras that comes with this journal because you can see I left lots of spaces that you can either write on, or you can add more pockets and tucks and really personalize it. This is one of the library cards. This is a digital that is in my Etsy store. Coffee dyed vellum. And then in this little sack, we have another journal card. Then back here again, the pocket is sewed. This is one of the vintage images that's in my Etsy. I just made a little cluster right there. This is some of the labels that's in my Etsy store. Another one of the vintage images, and then plenty of room on the inside, and then another journal card. Then back here, this is a like sack, and then inside of it, I have put a vintage style large journaling card. I love that journaling card. Then we have some coffee dyed ledger paper. This here is a corner tuck, but it flips up. And then I just stuck in another one of those vintage postcards that's in my Etsy store. And then I just stuck in another little journal card. On the back of that, we have another sack. And then in that sack here, we have like a tag that's got the acetate. And then we have another little journal tag. Some more of the coffee dyed paper with the washi tape. And then that's it. So there is, guys, This will make a great Christmas gift, so make sure you go over and grab this quickly. I do have a few more that I'm working on, but with, you know, the way things are going right this minute and the events of today and last night, I'm not sure that I will get them finished in time for Christmas. If I do, I will definitely let you guys know. And so if you guys are praying people, whoever prays, please say a prayer for my aunt. She has lost her son and grandson, and her son-in-law is still missing. So keep them all in your prayers. I can't even imagine what they're going through right now. So anyway, just make sure you run over, purchase this beautiful, beautiful journal. This would be great for a baby's first Christmas. This would be a great little thing to get started, to where each year you add stuff to it. And it's big enough that you can do that for many, many, many years. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.